Look at how to create text in Figma design for languages such as Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Thai, and others that do not use the Latin or Roman alphabet. So first thing you're going to do is create a new design file. And I'm going to add a text box just somewhere on screen right now so that I can edit within that text box. So there's a hello. I'll scroll over to the right side of my screen. And on the right side of my screen, I'm going to increase that size just so it's easy to see here. Okay. And we're ready to get started. Now, when you're working in Figma, and they have a great tutorial on this on their website. So on Figma Learn, I found this little tutorial. We're using Chromebooks primarily, so I'm going to be looking at how to use the Google Noto fonts, but there's also some instruction on how to use the text tool in Mac and Windows as well. So let's look at the Google font instructions here. We're going to go ahead and go back to our Figma file, and I'm going to change this now. So we'll scroll all the way down. Almost there. Here we go. Okay, so here are the fonts that we're going to be using for some of the languages that we're trying to translate to. I'm going to go down to Noto Sans, and then it will say SC for Simplified Chinese. And I'm going to select that font. And it's not going to translate in Figma, but once the font is set up, I can go to Google Translate. Or if I have my keyboard set up to type in another language, I could type directly in the screen. But for my students, it's going to be easiest to just go to Google Translate, start with my English word, and then choose the language I want to translate to. And we're going to use Chinese Simplified. And I was translating the word hello. So here are the characters for hello. I'm going to click the copy button here, go back to Figma Design, and then paste it in my text box, either with a Control V or by right-clicking or two fingers, one click on my trackpad. And there's my new text. And so I can do that in a variety of languages. If I want to do that in, let's try Japanese as well. There's konnichiwa. And we'll check our Figma Learn page. And they're going to have Noto Sans JP for Japanese. So let's change our font again. There we go. And then copy and paste. We can look at some other languages. So Korean is going to be Noto Sans KR. There we go. Change my font. Go to my translation tool. Oops. There we go. Copy. Paste. And that's it.